Hey Siri, who will be organizing one of Europe's biggest Eid gatherings?
Green Lane Masjid.
Okay, take me there.
Every year, thousands of Muslims gather on Eid in small Heath Park under the open sky to revive the beautiful sunnah of praying Eid outdoors, shoulder to shoulder, as one ummah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope everyone's having an amazing day. My first time doing Eid at Small Heath Park is amazing. It's an experience that I can't even put into words.
Narrated by Ibn Abbas, I went out with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the day of Eid al-Fitr or Eid al-Adha. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam prayed and then delivered the khutbah. Eid is a gift from Allah Azza wa Jal, a day of celebrations where families come together and offer Salah as one. Muslims gather to pray in worship of the Almighty and listen to the khutbah, which echoes across the park. The air fills with joy as the congregation enjoys sweets and refreshments. Do you want to be part of one of the largest Eid gatherings in Europe this Eid al-Fitr? Come and join Green Lane Masjid's Eid in the park. Bring your whole household and be part of something truly special.